Moja lacks the confidence of his intrepid neighbours. And not only that, his energy levels are at an all-time low. It's been days since he last ate. And as the rainy season wears on, food is scarcer than ever. But Nyota is determined and extremely patient. She spends hours watching and stalking potential prey. She even memorizes every warthog den on her patch. Eventually, her patience pays off. Another warthog, this time a huge male with deadly tusks. She needs to get close before she attacks. The bushes provide the perfect cover. Mission accomplished. Now she must protect her kill. The boar is as big as she is. It takes all her strength to drag it into cover. It's slow and exhausting work. A hidden island is the perfect place to defend her kill. She calls Moja in to feast. After the meal, a rare opportunity for Mum and her cub to relax.
Many red-tailed hawks stop for a bite to eat at Bracken Cave in southern Texas. High on the menu are 20 million free-tailed bats that have just arrived from Mexico to breed. It's the largest gathering of mammals on the planet. As the bats leave to feed each evening, they run the gauntlet of the waiting hunters. For a rookie hawk that's just arrived, they're quite a challenge. She has to learn how to catch them. But she's pitched against the fastest and most agile bats in the world. The sheer numbers are overwhelming, especially for a beginner. Finally, she spots a bat that's strayed from the mass and flicks her back claw to hook it. Impressive stuff, but nothing compared to the real Top Guns. These experienced hunters have learnt the best technique. Dive bombing the bats at over 160 kilometers an hour. The best can catch a bat with one talon while still holding another. The best of the best stay for the entire summer, but most migrating hawks simply use the cave as a drive-through restaurant.
Lions will normally avoid hunting in such heat, but they're also opportunists. The lions will need to bring him down quickly before they overheat. Even away from the herd, a bull is a formidable opponent. It could gore and kill a lion. Close to overheating, they finally succeed in bringing him to the ground. But the massive bull is not giving up. Against the odds and the full weight of the lions, he regains his feet. And it is now that the tables turn. The lions are exhausted. After a 20-minute struggle, only the bull has the energy to finish the fight. In such exposed and extreme conditions, the challenge for predators and their prey is at its most intense. Food is so hard to find this far north that a wolf pack must search hundreds of square kilometers if it's to be successful. And success means raising the next generation. To do that, here, the wolves must work together. So the young are raised not only by their parents, but by their aunts and uncles as well. Together, they try to ensure that each pup reaches near adult size before the snow returns. A growing pup needs more than just a few leverets. The wolves need bigger prey, and to catch that, they must hunt as a pack. Adult hares may be easy to spot, but they're far from easy to catch. They run at 60 kilometers an hour. To catch one, the wolves work as a team. One of them gets close enough to bite the hare's tail. But a hare can change direction in an instant. If it can continue to sidestep and jink, it may ultimately outlast them. Finally, it gets away. For the next hare, the whole pack gives chase. Now numbers count. The lead wolves keep up the pace. Others run on either side, so the hare can't change direction. A tiny meal for the whole pack. Kenya, famous for its big cats, the supreme hunters. Cheetahs specialize in hunting at speed. Though fast, they're fragile creatures built to sprint after small prey. They don't have the strength or weight of a lion to bring down larger animals. This male is different. He doesn't hunt alone. He's learnt that there is strength in numbers. Here, there are not just 2, but 3 cheetahs. A band of brothers. They have changed their tactics, and by doing so, have taken their prey by surprise. They have learnt that, working together, they can bring down large prey. An ostrich, a bird that towers over a cheetah and is more than twice as heavy. It can't fly to escape danger, but it can lash out with a deadly kick. A female, unaware as yet of any danger. Even with 3 of them, this is still highly risky. If one gets injured, the other 2 couldn't hope to tackle such large prey. On the other hand, if they get it right, the rewards are huge. The male has spotted one of the brothers, but only one. It's not too worried. Then suddenly there are 3. The female is slower to realize the danger, and the cheetahs switch targets. It takes the combined effort and weight of all 3 brothers to bring down this powerful bird. Even now, the ostrich could land a fatal kick. So far, the brothers are winning. Ostriches have yet to find a way to foil such tactics.